Ken? But yes. Do you wanna play with Ate? I know. Yeah. Or what? Talk to Lola? Yes. I know. Right. Oh, you want to eat now? Yeah. You want to eat now? You want me to call mommy? I know. Ah, yes, I know you're hungry. But wait, I will call mommy, okay? Yes. Yeah. All right. Yes. Mommy, Ken is hungry.
Hello.
There.
Hi.
Mommy's here.
Hi, baby. It's mommy.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah. I know.
oh,
Yeah.
okay, Lola said that you're hungry. You're so hungry? I'll make your milk, okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Yes? You want milk? You want or no? Do you want? Yeah. You want milk? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes? Yes?
Wow, tangos naman ang ilong ni baby. O, pataas, oh. Wow, pointed nose.
Is mommy.